It increases your damage range, bullet velocity, and it hides your shots off the minimap, so it acts as a suppressor. It's a pretty good attachment. It's a 3-in-1. However, you will be losing ADS speed and aim walking steadiness, but it's not too much of a con. Reinforced barrel for that extra damage range and bullet velocity. So this is essentially turning this gun into a medium gunfight machine. Like, this is pretty much a half AR, half SMG. It has insane range for an SMG. Magazine, we have the extended Mag 1. You can honestly use 2, but you will lose ADS speed and it reloads kind of slow. With extended Mag 1, it does reload a little bit slow, but not as slow as 2. For the rear grip, we have ergonomic grip. This is a must. Increases your dive to fire, slide to fire, ADS, and jump ADS speed. So pretty much every aspect of movement in this game, it increases the speed up. So must-have attachment. Infiltrator stock for that aim walking movement speed. Pretty good for strafing battles. And recoil springs. Pretty much just makes your gun shoot straighter. So if you've noticed, this setup is pretty much make the gun shoot as straight as possible and as far as possible. So basically this gun is like a half AR SMG. It's pretty good. Here, let's hop it. Alright, that kid is using a shotgun.
Hardpoint locked down. We've claimed the advantage, now hold it.
Teammates seem to know what they're doing. Attack line. Oh, there it is. I did not see that.
UAV established overhead. Hardpoint identified.
YouTube me? What the fuck?
Hardpoint active. Hardpoint is secure. Hostile LDBR drop detected.
Yo, how's this guy? No.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Oh, we put stock. Yeah, he's trash though. Whoa. What?
Hardpoint located.
Whoa, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, that guy's good.
Timeline expired.
Hardpoint is active. Hardpoint locked down.
Yeah, that was a terrible idea. I don't know what I was thinking there. Yeah, you see, he just pre-fires like crazy. I don't know, man. We'll have to see.
Hostiles have captured
Like,
the
I don't think
hardpoint.
he's cheating yet. They probably do. That was insane.
Hardpoint is secure.
Oh, your ass is garbage, buddy. Holy fuck. That's why I hate that there's no reload canceling. Shit like that.
Hardpoint identified.
Let's just watch. He is AFK.
Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down.
You didn't go
Hostiles have
AFK
captured the
a
hardpoint.
lot of times. You just
Hardpoint
do
active.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm rushing. I mean, my teammates are chill. Like, they're playing the OBJ and stuff. I'm just, like, holding it and flying out. That's the noise.
Enemy UAV inbound.
Who is shooting?
Bringing in recon.
Yo!
Them turrets online.
Hostiles have the hard point. Hard point located.
Mad him.
Hard point is secure. Hard
Look at
point
all
is
these
active.
guys stack like crazy.
Citrus, LZBR incoming.
Oh, they're all stacked.
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
UAV mission timeline 50% expended.
Hard point locked down.
UAV standing by.
Alright, how does
Hostiles
that
have the
little
hard
slab of fucking door stop bullets?
Request received.
It's pretty
UAV
stupid.
danger grid. UAV commencing surveillance.
Hard point is secure.
Yeah, I'm
Hardpoint
getting like,
identified.
is my aim assist off or something? I'm getting like no aim assist
UAV
at
MTL
all.
50%. Check.
Like, holy
Hard point active. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point locked down. Hostiles have the hard point.
UAV available for target.
UAV established overhead.
I'm blind. Oh, holy shit. What is happening?
Hard point is secure.
UAV fuel check.
Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point locked down.
Oh! I ran into his nade.
Hard point located.
Thought I escaped it.
Hostiles have the hard point. Hard point is active.
UAV standing
Let's
by.
pop off it like a
Hard
dumbass.
point is secure.
Bye.
UAV in the turn. Eyes on.
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
I didn't realize it. Push back real fast. Forgetting I have a sub, not an AR.
UAV mission timeline 50% expended.
Hard point identified.
We're flying on UAV returning to base.
It's actually kind of
Hard point active. Hostiles have the hard point.
Oh, they're gonna hold that hard point for the map.
Hostiles standing by. Shotgunner awaiting orders.
Streaks. That's all I really think. I can't shoot through that.
Hostile scout post in your AO.
Shit, I'm telling y'all, these kids stab.
Enemy scout post detected. Hard point located.
Die, motherfucker. Holy fuck. That's how I die. He's shooting bodies too?
Hard point is active.
That's hilarious. Oh, they're using that
Hostiles have
shit
captured the
like
hard point.
crazy. Fuck, you are ass, bro. You wanna shoot my fucking body? Straight garbage.
Hard point locked down.
It's fine. That'd be good too. Now they're all just gonna hit now. Yep.
Hostiles have the hard point.
No,
Hard point is secure. Hard point identified. Hard point active. Hard point locked down. We're ahead, but stay alert.
Cool.
Marshall's people are no
still
fools.
alive.
UAV available for tasking.
Yeah, I got. Where the hell did he come from?
Hard point located.
Triple kill with the fucking
established
flag.
Hard point is active. Hard point is secure.
UAV SPL 50% check.
UAV standing by.
Hostile LTV are dropped against
I was
Stand
like
down.
dire
We
dude.
have what we came for.
I got you, mate.
No reply back. That was probably too late.